You could do the activated charcoal, you could do coconut pulling, and you could brush your teeth morning and night with this and see a lot of great results, and they're very synergistic with one another. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about Carbon Coco versus the doTERRA toothpaste for whitening your teeth. That's right. Alright, so just to kind of give you a little overview of what Carbon Coco is, I have a picture of it right here so you can see. Boom, there you go. Okay, so Carbon Coco is made from 100% certified organic coconut shell charcoal. Carbon Coco not only can brighten your smile, but can also improve your overall mouth health. And so this is a medical grade activated charcoal powder that can remove toxins, stains, and plaque from your teeth through a process called ad-sorption. Not absorption, but ad-sorption. That's right. Okay, in which activated charcoal binds with these particles and flushes them out of your teeth and mouth. And so you can probably see some pictures I'll show right here of people using the product, and you can see how it blackens the teeth up, but then for some, or for most, it actually does help whiten them. And so it just kind of depends on use and how stained your teeth are and what you're doing too, because if somebody's drinking coffee, which stains the teeth, and then they're using the activated charcoal, and then they drink coffee again, obviously that's not going to benefit you that much. Also, there's foods that are acidic and other things that can contribute to the plaque buildup. So same thing with the oil usage. It depends what you're doing outside of the actual product, which can counter, you know, the benefits of it as well. So anyways, and there's lots of stuff that could counter it and we don't know about too. But usually food, supplements, and drinks are usually kind of the three things that could help or hinder your results. Alright, so now let's talk about an alternative that is also natural and is a green solution that I use every day, and it is the doTERRA Onguard toothpaste. There we go. So this toothpaste is a natural whitening toothpaste and is fluoride free. So that is going to be huge because fluoride is, you know, contrary to popular belief, is actually not good for the brain. Alright, so we want to make sure we have a fluoride free solution to help clean your teeth and then reduce plaque, and it whitens your teeth with gentle polishing agents and powerful essential oils such as wild orange, clove, and others. And then what I like to do is I will add a drop of the actual Onguard oil on with my toothpaste, and about a pea-size amount is good morning and night, and that really is almost like a mouthwash. I mean, there's already this oil in here, but to add another drop, oh my goodness, it enhances it, really freshens your mouth. And then I use an electric toothbrush to make sure that I get all the little areas and parts really efficiently and effectively, and it makes short work of the actual toothbrushing exercise. And then I get the heads and even everything else on Amazon as the replacement heads. So it's a really good process. Been doing that for a while, and it makes your teeth shiny and white as well. So I don't know if you can tell. The light might help it, I guess. But so yeah, and I also don't drink coffee or energy drinks or sodas or anything like that, and I make sure I eat foods that support the whitening of my teeth and don't hinder my results from brushing my teeth or using essential oils. There's also coconut oil pulling as well. That's also a very good thing to do in addition. And you may be like, well, which one do I do, Lance? Well, you could do the activated charcoal, you could do coconut pulling, and you could brush your teeth morning and night with this and see a lot of great results, and they're very synergistic with one another. You would just do them at different times, or you know, one after another. It just kind of depends what you're going to do. But yeah, that's definitely another option. It's a coconut pulling is a workout for your mouth. Brushing your teeth is just a necessity, I would say. And then the activated charcoal you just use as directed. But yeah, that's some really great options for you to help whiten your teeth naturally. That's the key, naturally. And so that is, you know, you don't want any synthetics, you don't want any toxins, you don't want anything that's, you know, not so good. So anyways, I'll have more information on all of that in the link in the description below, so you can check out the, you know, Carbon Coco, or you can check out the toothpaste in more detail, or you can get you some. That's right. It's not about talking about it, it's about being about it and living that wellness lifestyle. So more information will be below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button, hit subscribe for future video updates, and I'll see you in the next video.